Yeah. It's the mob. Birds fly wherever you want it. We call it chicken value meal in Tucson, Arizona. We got the blueski black, my nigga, the marijuana. So if you need this pack, my nigga, just get up on it. I'm from the city where the skinny niggas die. Tell mama don't cry if they kill me cause I'm fly. Roll up some cherry pie, cop a pint, pull up a 5. I ain't no vodka low, but I be leaning low. These niggas don't know nothing about money, but I can teach them, bro. Talking about these Jordans, it's hard. These phone deposits, bro. Talking about she want them, be down with drop deposits, ho. Money stuffing up in my jeans, I need to stuff some more. Nigga think I'm slipping this time, nigga, I brought the pole. Chain off Molly, my diamonds won't stop dancing. Yo, bitch, she on my dick, my nigga, her brain, I'm about to gas it. Call me Mr. Loco, put your raps in the casket. Niggas just like you nasty bitches when you niggas don't rap it. I keep this shit 100, nigga, I ain't just rapping. Tap in, thought the brick was cheap, my nigga, know that I'm taxing. But I don't give a fuck, my nigga, running these racks in. Free my niggas locked, I hate the pigs with the passion. That's why I get these kicks off like Bruce Lee tactics. Hop out, squeeze the 40 like a script from an actor. But I ain't acting, nigga, hop back in the whip smashing. My bling bling, got your bitch up on my ding ding. She said she wanna chill, I told that bitch I need some ching chings. Blue chips, if you ain't got it, better go quick. Come back when you got it and retry that process, that broke shit. Never been popping, what is you talking? I'm mobbing, 16 shots straight from the pocket. I lock it, straight in the pot, there ain't no option. You want a cop, just come through, there ain't no talking, it's mine.